Members of the Retirement Village Residents Association have taken this creative way of marching on Parliament by 70 and 80-year-olds. Physically we cannot go there, but we hope that the words of these very well-known marchers will be heard at Parliament. We must have the Retirement Villages Act fully reviewed to take out the unfair clauses currently found in there. The Act is 20 years old. It is out of date, no longer fit for purpose, and we oldies need it changed to make a better end-of-life situation for us in our villages. We are happy in our villages, except for a few unfair clauses in the Act. These must be changed.
It takes a long time.